Hey guys, welcome back. So today we'll be talking about Filmora 10. It's a beginner's guide how to edit your videos here. So here I am in the media tab and I imported a video. Then I'm importing a photograph. Then I'm importing the audio that needs to be added to the video, and then the music file. So the first thing I do is I add the photograph to the timeline, then the main video. I can detach the audio from the video if I don't need it by right-clicking it and going to detach audio. Select the audio and delete. If I want to remove some parts of the video, I can go to that section of the video and delete it. Then I can import my end part of the video here, say the second video. I can attach it just after that video. Detach the audio if I don't need the audio. Then add the audio that I require to be added to the video. So if I need to add music to the video, I can add the music as well. So I can lower down the volume of the music in the actual audio, and in the rest part of the video I can keep the volume of the music as it is. I just need to double click on the music line and fade it out at the end. Now I can see how the play line works. It's pretty simple. Yes. You can see that, the videos are properly in the line. So I just now, since my video is ready, now I just have to hit export. Select the location where I want to save the video. Select the resolution. You can keep it default if you want. That's the size of the file. You can rename the name of the video. So here I've started downloading the video. Yes, it's downloaded. Just need to click on Find Target. Here's the video which I have made from Filmora 10. So I hope you like this video.